Here we are again. I think it's deeper than last time, but just after the heavy rains and floods around the northwest last night. So yeah, we're back on the A555 again, and yeah, look at it, completely gone, completely shut the road again. Well, this is up near Style. Never seen this before. Someone just struggling through there, but the whole road outside the prison is flooded as well. So I'm just walking here, so I'm staying safe. Obviously come and run off the fields. There's somewhere else struggling through. Yeah, never seen it up high, so I'll go and have a look down by Twinney's Bridge just to see what's happened down by the River Bollin and the River Dean. Actually, the first time I've seen the 4x4 in the Wilmslow area actually been used correctly. Oh, you can get through that, pal. Good grief, come on. That looks marvellous fun. Actually, I don't know if they're just letting people through now, but suddenly cars are appearing from down in the valley. Whoa, 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 I'm not joking. I honestly thought that was something to do with the field here. Check this out. Oh, this is just approaching the River Dean, so just down in the valley here, and oh my gosh, it's just whoa, bear with me. Sugar. So I'm actually over where the River Dean is. There's an old bridge here, 1878. Be surprised if it's seen flooding like this. This is actually where the water treatment works is. You can't even get to it because of the floodwater. At least there is a bit of a floodplain here, so this is looking down over the River Dean. Wow. As I say, a good couple of days of this probably still, because the snow will be melting in the next 24. I mean, this is only a small river really, the River Dean. It's not big at all, but just see that power. So just over there, as I say, is where it actually joins with the River Bollin. This is just the entrance to Style Woods, just up from Twinney's Bridge. It's right up to the footpath. That must be a good 100 metres plus wide. Gosh, it's normally no more than about 12, 13. Good grief. Right, this is just what's happening though. It's all the runoff from the fields, and it's all going down to one corner and just coming out. So this is happening all over the country. Wow. This is coming for a paddle, but good grief, in all seriousness. Whoa, just never seen it like this around here. Right, middle of the shot, that is the main weir. Honestly, good grief. He's bouncing up. It's like a fairground. You know what I'm saying? One of those log flumes. It's just bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. So that is really, really, really going some. That is some power. That's a good about 6 feet higher than normal, and it must be, gosh, at least 50% wider. Just by Style Church now, they've even had to sandbag this, but yeah, can't go on any further. They've shut the pass, and I'm not going to take the biscuit. It's just so unpredictable at the moment. But that's just a quick snapshot of around me and what's been going on in the last couple of days.